Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Ishika Thakur, and by the title you already know what is going to be in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so few days back I went to Kolaba and bought some things, but the mic that I bought had some faults in it. So 2 days back I went to Kolaba once again, and then I bought so many more things. So I wanted to do a pretty good haul about it because the things that I bought are amazing. So I think let's get started about it, because the first thing that I bought is this beauty. Oh my god, it's so pretty, it's so lightweight, it's just the thing that everyone wants. So this is Sony ZV-1F camera. This is specially for vloggers, creators, and this is so good, guys. Like, oh my god, yesterday I clicked some pictures. I'll like show it to you here. So like these are the pictures that we clicked with this camera, and this is so good. Now you are going to see me like vlogging, taking pictures with this like so often. So I think after this clip I'm going to shoot rest of my vlog with this, like not vlog, rest of my video with this camera, and you can see the clarity, like what features it has. So yes, this is the best buy ever, like guys, this is so good. And I got this camera just for 30,000 rupees. Like, can you believe it? Like, guys, run to Kolaba and like search for amazing cameras. Like, just for 30,000 rupees, what else do you want, guys? Like, it is amazing. I also got a 64 GB memory card with it, and battery. Like one battery is on charging and one is in it. So yes, I got two batteries and also a charger to charge it. So yes, this is all I got. Okay, so after a lot of blabber, let's talk about the camera, like what it has. Okay, so this shoots in 4K, and it has autofocus, and it's perfect for like daily vloggers or like something like that, because this is very compact. And also it has like product showcase thing, like that is best for me because I also have a like jewelry page. Okay, so next I got this GoPro. This is the latest model, Black 13. This one. This was for 37,000 rupees, and I wanted this because, as you know, that we like ride bike so often, and like this is great to shoot on bike because this is an action camera, and for shooting in water or like whenever we go to a villa or something like that, so we can shoot in swimming pools or whatever it is. So this is great and handy because like this is so tiny, like yes. And also guys, now I'm shooting on my camera, so you can see the difference, like the quality and stuff. So like check out this. Like now this is focusing on the GoPro, okay, and now like this is the autofocus feature which works great. Also this is great for like shooting, and the battery works for like 1 hour, one and a half hours. So yes, I am going to buy one more battery for this. So this is perfect, and this was just for 37,000 rupees, as I already told you. And yes, and yes, I also got this cover because rainy season is coming, and like this is a waterproof case. So you just have to like open this, okay, and then you have to put this inside here, then just close it like this, okay, and then done. Like अब इसमें कहीं से भी पानी नहीं जाएगा. इट्स लाइक सो ग्रेट. And you can like do this. Just check. ये ऑन हो चुका है. So yes, this is so nice. I can also click my videos इसमें से ही. And after that I bought this TYFY OTG for like transferring the videos and photos from my camera and GoPro to my phone. So it has this bigger memory card thing and a micro. So yes, I can transfer like from my camera and GoPro to my phone with this. And this was for I think 600 rupees. And then I also got this bag. So मैं everything एक ही जगह पे रख सकती हूँ, like my camera, my GoPro, my stand, or maybe like, and one more thing that I bought, like I have got so many things. So yes, I can keep everything in this, and this was for 600 rupees again. And then I got one more thing, which is this stand. Okay, this is this brand. I got this stand. Guys, sorry, मुझे कैमरा से वीडियो बनाने की आदत नहीं है, so I'm looking at myself. I'm not looking in the camera exactly, like in the lens. So please deal with it. So yes, I got this stand. This is amazing. I can shoot like with my camera on this, my GoPro, and also I can attach this and add my phone to it. So yes, and this was for 800 rupees. And with that I also got one more thing, that is, yes, I can also attach my light to it. So yes, I got this light. Bro, this is so cool. Yesterday I clicked some pictures, and with this camera I used this light, and अंधेरे में भी इतने अच्छे फोटोज आ रहे थे. Oh my god, like I have no words. Like बहुत अच्छा है. I can like change the light, and also this is for 1000 rupees. This light is for 1000 rupees. Yes. And after that, and this is the brand Digitech, light का brand. Okay, like yes, let me see the price here. Oh, on the box the price is 1995, so like 2000, but I got it for 1000 rupees. And also इसके साथ ये भी मिलता है, so हम फोन में भी इसको like डाल के यूज कर सकते हैं. Also guys, one more thing that I bought is this mic. ये आपको दिख रहा भी नहीं होगा, मैंने ये पहना हुआ है माइक. अपने अगर और एक ब्रांड है जो आजकल बहुत लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. सो ये डिजिटेक का है, एंड ये भी ऐसा लाइक दिखता नहीं है किसी को. सो दिस इज फॉर 4000 rupees. This is Digitech DWM116 here. So yes, ये भी एक अच्छा माइक था, बिकॉज इससे पहले मैंने 118 माइक लिया था, लाइक डिजिटेक DWM118. ओके, उसको ही मैं चेंज कराने के लिए गई थी, एंड देन आई बॉट दिस कैमरा. सो उसमें क्या इशू था ना, उसका जो ये, सो दिस इज द केस फॉर माई माइक. सो इसमें हम चार्ज कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ट्रांसमीटर एंड यहाँ पे माइक. ओके, एंड और एक माइक आता है. सो लाइक 2 लोग शूट कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन यूज दिस. ऑल्सो ये जो दूसरा मैंने लिया था, उसका जो केस था, लाइक मैंने यूज भी नहीं किया. लाइक अभी मैंने ये व्लॉग इतना शूट किया है, पूरा माइक से मैंने शूट किया है. मैं आपको विदाउट माइक कैसे साउंड करता है वो भी दिखाऊंगी, एंड विथ माइक कैसे साउंड करता है वो भी दिखाऊंगी विथ माई फोन और दिस कैमरा. तो यस, एंड ऑल्सो इस माइक का मुझे ये अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पे केस का बैटरी परसेंटेज जो भी होगा वो शो होता है। एंड वो वाली जो माइक थी उसमें डॉट डॉट आते थे। मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी, वो माइक पकड़ा हुआ मैंने जब मैं शूट कर रही थी, तो वो माइक मैंने लाइक वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट था। ये माइक मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कैसा है क्या है। दिस इज सो गुड। ओके, सो दिस सो टाइनी, प्लस इसके साथ ये विंडशील्ड भी आता है, सो यू कैन लाइक put it on and use it like this. This one I'm shooting with my phone, and this is how I sound with the mic, and this is how I sound without the mic. So yes, this is my new vlogging or like shooting setup under a smart budget. And if you are a new creator or like new vlogger or whatever content creation you are doing, so this is the smart buy. Like you can get all this stuff. Just visit Kolaba and like get whatever you want at a one place. Also guys, if you want to know anything in detail about any product, so just you can hit me on my Insta. This is my ID, so yes, you can ask if you want to like buy or like anything about it or the location from where I bought it. So yes. So yes, if you like my video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and we will be back with a bang on content soon. I'm going to do a lot of videos like challenge videos and vlogs and haul videos. So yes, I hope you stay with me for a longer time. So yes, subscribe for that. Okay, tab tak ke liye bye bye. I love you all.